in Copilot Studio, I have created an agent that is making use, I call it Smart Flows agent, that is making use of something that we have built, which is called the Explogic Smart Flows MCP server. It's now available in Copilot Studio. If you want to create your own agent, go ahead and go to the tool section of the agent that you're creating and just look for Smart Flows, Explodic Smart Flows. You're going to find the Smart Flows MCP server as an available tool for your agent to work with. And then once you have added this, agent that you're building is capable of, first of all, retrieving flows in the connected Smart Flows project. It is capable of understanding what a flow needs as an input. It is capable of running a flow. It's capable of giving you feedback on the execution of the flow, and it is capable of downloading documents that have been produced during a flow execution. Do we want to create an opportunity in Dynamics? And then we also want to run a flow for that opportunity. So what is the model going to do? Sorry for the long prompt there. What it's actually going to do is going to find that it has two tools to work with, and it's going to go ahead and call the first tool, namely to create that opportunity in the system. So it starts to create that opportunity in the system. It first explains what it's going to do and says, hey, I'm going to create an opportunity for litware with a certain name, Town Hall Demo High Capacity Heat Pump, set a close date, end of next month, probability 80%, associated with solar products price list, add to high capacity heat pump product, and so on and so forth. There's a bunch of things it's going to do, and then it's going to generate an investment summary PDF. So you see that it switched now from creating all that stuff in the Dataverse to also calling the SmartFlows tool, SmartFlows MCP server, to get the flows. And actually, it found a flow that it could execute that does that generates the investment summary PDF. So here's the result. Opportunity has been successfully created and the investment summary generation process has started. Okay, so it's already done that, but it's now typing very slowly. It's types about as slowly as I do. There you go. And this is interesting because this thing is going to give us a link back to the actual flow execution that it started. With this flow execution there, yeah, with the link there, if it completes, come on, yeah. If I can click this link, then it shows me the actual flow execution that has run right now. You can see it successfully ran the investment summary for the high capacity heat pump. So let me have a look at that document. Where does it pop up? On my other screen again. There we are. So this is the investment summary PDF that we have generated. It's for Town Hall Demo High Capacity Heat Pump. It was generated, as you can see, February 16, 4:48 p.m. That's right now. And this is the management summary document that we have generated. It's also saved the document as an attachment to the generated opportunity. So if I go into all of my opportunities, or in my open opportunities, here it is, Town Hall Demo. This is the opportunity that we have created just a moment ago, and you'll see that there's a note attachment that contains this investment summary for the Town Hall Demo, right? So we can see it right here, as you can tell. All right, so you can also run it from here, from Copilot right here. Sometimes it gives you errors and so on and so forth, but it's available right here. But I always run it from the studio, so you can actually see that it does something. Final thing that I'm gonna show you before I let you go is you can do more stuff, like also interactive flows are also capable as well from here. So what you can do, for instance, is because we don't have an NDA in place with Alex Simmons that I met during my meeting this morning. So let's do that. Let's see if we find a flow that can actually create an NDA for Alex Simmons. Contact Alex Simmons was found in the system. The NDA generation process has been initiated. So the interesting thing about this flow, and that's also cool about the MCP server, is that it knows what our flows need as input. So whenever it finds a flow that has additional requirements, like it needs additional input to proceed, it tells you that. And you can actually complete the NDA details. This is a flow that will pop up a form, an Expo Documents form, ask for information, pre-fill the form with data that it got from the system. Alex Simmons, the email address of Alex, company that Alex is working for. Now we can also do a topic like heat pump opportunity. And then we can set a valid to date. Let's set that to say March, 31st of March. And let's go ahead and hit next. So now I'm running this this flow. This is going to send an NDA to this person via DocuSign. It's now done and it's waiting for the person to actually sign it. It's successfully completed. So if we go into our CRM, then we can go ahead and go to the contacts. We find Alex Simmons. And we'll see here that there is a note that has been added where Alex Simmons has, so where we have that NDA that was signed for or by Alex Simmons.